You've seen the Pinterest perfect bathrooms, marble countertops, candles everywhere, plants in every corner. But let's be honest, most of them don't hold up in real life. You want more than a look, you want a bathroom that helps you recover, reset, and recharge. Let's talk about how to design that. If you ever dreamed of turning your bathroom into a personal wellness retreat, you're not alone. After 24 years of designing custom homes for real people with real routines, one thing is clear: the best spa bathrooms don't just look good, they actually function well. I am Francisca Alonso with AV Architects Plus Builders, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 7 must-have spa features that can transform your bathroom into a space that supports your body, your mind, and your future. Let's dive in. Cold plunge. Recovery over hype. Forget the influencer buzz. Cold plunges are legit. They reduce inflammation, boost your mood, and speed up recovery. But it's not just about dropping a tub in. Look for quick drain systems, non-slip materials, and even warm-up zones that make the experience smoother. Pro tip: place your plunge near a sauna or a steam shower to unlock contrast therapy, one of the most effective wellness routines you can build into your day. Number 2, sauna. Traditional or infrared? Sweating it out has serious benefits. The real question is, how do you want to do it? Traditional saunas give you that dry, intense heat. Infrared saunas work at lower temperatures and help with muscle recovery. It's not just about which you choose, it's about how it fits into your layout. Placement, materials, and flow all matter. Pro tip: choose a sauna that fits your rhythm, whether that's post-workout recovery or daily stress relief. Number 3, steam showers. Functional self-care. Steam showers aren't just about ambience. They help you breathe better, de-stress, and feel good. But for them to actually work, you need the right setup. Built-in generators, moisture-resistant finishes, and smart ventilation to keep the rest of your bathroom fresh. Aromatherapy, lighting, and heated seats. Those are just a bonus. Number 4, soaking tub. Intentional escape. A soaking tub is still iconic, especially when it's intentional. Deep, wide, ergonomic, placed in a way that invites relaxation, not just fills a corner. Make sure it fits your habits and your layout. Pro tip: if you're going to invest in a tub, make it the centerpiece, not an afterthought. Number 5, curbless showers. Sleek and smart. Clean lines, easy access, zero threshold. Curbless showers aren't just a modern design choice, they are smart. They age with you, make movement easier, and look incredible. Large format tiles, frameless glass, and hidden drains complete the look while keeping it safe and accessible. Number 6, light therapy. Wellness you can see. This one's underrated, but it makes a huge impact. Layered lighting can actually support your circadian rhythm, your energy levels, and your sleep. Red light therapy, daylight strategies, smart controls, they all turn lighting into more than a mood. They turn it into therapy. Number 7, main level spa access. No more stairs. My absolute favorite. Why put your wellness space, well, in the basement? Design your spa bathroom on the main level. That way, it becomes part of your daily routine, not just your Sunday ritual. Think hot tub near the bedroom, sauna on the main level, a yoga nook on your primary suite. Wellness should be convenient, not a hike. Here's the truth: Pinterest is full of beautiful bathrooms, but the ones that actually change your life, they are designed with intention. The right features, the right layout, and the right support can turn your bathroom into a place that fuels recovery, resets your mind, and adds real value to your home. If you're ready to design a custom home with a spa bathroom that actually works for your life, we're here to help. Schedule a discovery call and let's talk about how to make your wellness goals part of your new home. And if you want more expert insights, check out our learning center for design tips, resources, and more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. What's one spa feature that you would love to have in your next bathroom? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.